Hello, my beautiful people. So today I would like to talk a little bit about finding out about foods that can help with our eczema flare-ups. Now, experts believe that eczema is an inflammatory condition that comes from inflammation that is within the body. So because of that, I try to give my children's food that are anti-inflammatory. Now, it varies from one person to the next person. So, for some people, making changes in their diet is very crucial to successfully help them control their eczema flare ups. Now, we all can use the ointments, we can use the creams, etc., and it can help the problem from the outside. So, we are pretty much more suppressing the symptoms because we are only working on the outside. What about the inside? We need to pay attention to the inside of the body, the foods that we are eating, because it can trigger a flare up. Now, these pictures, actually, I put the dates on there. It was from this year, October 27. And then you see the after one, which was yesterday. I took it November the 9th. This is a picture of my daughter's neck. Unfortunately, she was eating foods that trigger a flare up. So she was drinking milk that had pea protein in it. Normally, when she eat fresh peas, when I grow it, she don't have a flare up. And then she also been eating a lot of chocolate and other stuff that started a flare up. So when she told me about it, I knew exactly what I had to do. So one of the first things that I did, which she already knew about, we were going to get rid of all of the things that were causing her triggers. So after that, I started a very mild detox and I started giving her foods to help build her body back up. So one of the first foods is pumpkin seeds. I'm going to talk a little teeny bit more about pumpkin seeds here. So why do you need pumpkin seeds, especially if you're an eczema sufferer? So pumpkin seeds is loaded with a lot of valuable nutrients. It's a great source of healthy fats, magnesium, zinc, omegas, and vitamins. So per ounce of pumpkin seeds is about 37% magnesium, 23% iron, 14% zinc, 19% copper, and it goes on and on. Usually what I do, I make pumpkin seeds milk so that we can use the milk. I use the raw pumpkin seeds. I'm going to have to do a video to show you how I make the milk. Put it in the refrigerator. You can use it. You can put it in anything. Whatever you're using milk with, you can use it with the raw pumpkin seeds. And plus, it's very delicious. So let's talk about zinc in the pumpkin seeds. So zinc, we all need zinc because it helps reduce inflammation, it boosts our immune health, etc. But in eczema sufferer, it is very important. It is even more so important because it helps the skin to grow and heal. It helps to increase the good bacteria that is within our gut. And recent studies have shown that the increasing zinc in patients with eczema showed an important eczema symptoms reduction. And in some cases, patients no longer show any symptoms of having eczema. Now, I usually like to get all of my nutrients from food. Pumpkin seeds and mushrooms are my two go-to for zinc because they are plant-based. But you can use whatever you want to use. So I just wanted to do this quick video to kind of give you guys an idea. This is a smoothie that is with pumpkin seeds. And of course, we have a lot of berries in there because they're high in vitamin C. And vitamin C, think collagen, is very good for building up the skin. And I'm going to put the recipe below for this delicious smoothie. So just go ahead and pay attention. Keep journal and pay attention to what you're eating. Talk to your doctor, see what is working for you, what you can take out of your diet. But make sure whatever you take out, you want to make sure that you put enough nutrients into your diet so you're not going to be deficient in anything, because that's the last thing you want to be deficient in, any vitamins or minerals or nutrients or whatever it is. Make sure you feed your body right. And I am telling you, it is going to help your eczema a whole lot. And hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Thank you for watching. My next video, I will give you a list of foods that we avoid and some of the foods that we have included that are very, very helpful, especially during this time of year when you suffer from eczema. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this information with those who need it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.